Hey YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Tailorette and this is a review of Spoonflower. So let's talk about the beginning of the shopping process. Now when you go onto Spoonflower and you can type in any kind of fabric you're looking for, you can type in umbrella fabric, you can type in palm trees, you can type in tropical, and you just type in tropical fabric. And all of these designers that have designed anything with any of those elements in them will show up, and there will be pages and pages of designers presenting their designs to you that you can make into wallpaper, bedding, fabric, anything that you are wanting to make out of your project. So basically, I'm going to clarify a little bit more there that you can buy any of these prints in any fabric that you want. If you go on Spoonflower, you can see all the options. They have Belgian linen, they have upholstery fabric, like I mentioned, denim and all the cottons, but you can also have it in like a knit fabric printed. So you can have any of these prints done in any fabric. So I picked out some that were my favorite. I think I nailed it right with the swatches that I purchased. I purchased them in 3 different fabrics. I bought some cotton voile, some cotton lawn, and some denim just to see how that would look. Okay, so they came in 2 separate bags, but these are the swatch bags. I ordered the swatches. Definitely worth it, because if you're going to pay this much, you want to make sure that you hit it right, because Spoonflower can be on the pricier side. But I will say their fabric quality is actually pretty decent. But I'm going to wash the fabric today. We'll get to that in a minute. So here are the different denims that I bought. I'm wanting to make my daughter some overalls, some printed overalls. And so these are the different prints that I got. And I will have to say, the denim is an excellent quality. I will say, if you're wanting to make something for a little girl out of denim, I would go for their twill, because their twill is very similar to this, and I'll get to that in a minute, because I ended up ordering this in the twill. The denim was great, but I feel like if you're wanting something more of a lighter weight denim, I would go for the twill, and it has a very similar feel. It's not exactly the same, but it's very similar. I love how the prints turned out. I would say they turned out 100% or maybe 95% of what I was expecting the print to look on the denim, as well as all the other fabrics. I was super impressed about that. I got them in the mail thinking they would be distorted and the colors would look weird, because I saw some reviews online saying that Spoonflower messed up their colors, but these are not messed up in my opinion. Okay, so now let's get to my cottons, the cotton voile. These are all cotton, even the denim is 100%. The popular cottons that we're all looking for as sewists, but we can't find them because no sewing store thinks it's a big deal. I ordered, this is cotton lawn. This is an orange print. This is exactly, if not better, than what I saw online. And honestly, I wouldn't mind making a fall dress out of that color. This is a cotton lawn as well. This one's a cotton lawn. I love that print. I got a few lemon prints. This one's a cotton lawn as well. These are lemons. As you can tell, I'm looking for some fruit prints. This is a cotton lawn. I love this fabric and I really want to make a dress out of it. I should have ordered yardage in this, but I didn't. I ordered something else, which I'll get to that in a minute. More cotton lawn. Now this is cotton poplin. I was impressed with the quality of the cotton poplin. This, I'm wanting to make some gingham dresses this year. So I got this. The only thing is a gingham, I was looking for a particular green and they didn't have a particular green. So I ended up buying more of a woven gingham somewhere else. But I will say, if I was going for this color, this is a great option. I am not disappointed with the quality of it. This one, you'll have to double check when you order fabrics with texture in them, because if you see that there's like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's texture in there. You can see the little lines. It's supposed to mimic like an actual textured fabric, and it will show up like that. So it's not necessarily, I will say it looks more like a quilter's cotton, because quilter's cotton sometimes they print the texture on there, so it has more of a quilter's cotton look to it, even though it's a poplin. But this one does not have a quilter's cotton look to it. It looks more like a poplin. But to say, I would say color is a check, print is a check, quality of fabric is a check. I'm very impressed with the quality. It feels like store-bought type clothing quality that you can't find in a regular sewing store. On those fronts, rest assured the quality is very good. And I'm making my daughter, as I mentioned, I'm making my daughter overalls, but tell me in the comments if you think I should make any of these for myself, being this one's number 1 and this one being number 4. Tell me if you think I should make one for myself out of this. Now let's get to actually what I ordered. I ordered the denim. Actually, this is a twill. This is the twill fabric. It's a little bit softer feel. I do like the weight of it, and I think my daughter's gonna be more comfortable in it. This, I did not order a sample of it, and I really should have, because I love the print. However, it is ginormous, and I feel like if I had it on a sample, I would realize this may not be a good idea for a dress. I'm not sure. Tell me in the comments, do you think this is too large of a print to have in a dress, or should I just go for it and make a dress out of it? In the meantime, I'm gonna go throw this in the wash and tell you how it turns out. This is made out of cotton poplin, just to let you know. All right, now let's actually go and wash it. So I'm just gonna do a normal wash here to see how it does with a normal wash. While that's washing, I'm gonna take this and test the width on the fabric because there are margins on the sides, and I just wanna see, did I get what was advertised as far as the width of the fabric? This, according to online, it says that this is 58 inches wide. So let's go see if it actually is. Lay it out flat. All right, I'm just gonna measure where the print is because that's what matters. Aha, look at there, everybody. I have 58 inches wide of print. Now, some people were complaining that there were margins. Those margins are extra on top of the width that you order. So I would say Spoonflower delivered on this. I actually get the width of exactly what I need. I'll have to say I'm super impressed because I was anticipating that I was gonna lose a couple inches. So I'm not going to wash this because I'm gonna make overalls, and part of it is I don't want it to shrink before I make the overalls. You'll just have to subscribe to see why I'm not pre-washing it. I have a series coming out on denim, and you won't want to miss that, so subscribe. All right, let's see how this washed. I even threw it in the dryer with a bunch of other stuff. All right, from what I can tell, it held up really well. It looks the same, but let's try and iron it and see how ironing goes. All right, here we go. Looking good here, guys. Honestly, I'm not having any issues ironing. Feels nice and smooth. Yeah, so this is the Spoonflower order that I have. Tell me what you think about this fabric and what I should do with it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time, but only if you subscribe.